5 mental math. Today's class I was complete exercise 48 and 49. Exercise 48, convert into mixed fraction. 75 by 14 in mixed fraction. Answer is 5 and 5 by 14. Example also have here. And exercise 49, write mixed fraction, write number name, write decimal. 4525 by 100. 4525 by 100, answer is 45.25. Convert into decimal, answer is 10.75. Write in expand form plus the two number, and that's the answer. These type of maths here, that's it.